one of the great Republican presidents, Teddy Roosevelt, fought to limit special interest spending and influence over American political campaigns and warned of the impact of unbridled corporate spending.
We need you to summon the same spirit of unbridled optimism, that bold willingness to tackle tough problems that led previous generations to meet the challenges of their time, to power a nation from coast to coast, to touch the moon, to connect an entire world with our own science and imagination. That kind of unbridled can-do spirit, that's what made America an economic superpower.
And I cannot imagine how it would be to so eagerly anticipate a loved one coming home, and instead of unbridled joy to those caregiving demands